Ito na ang ating fourth and final quarter. Meron pa kaya natitira sa tangke nitong Wangs basketball dahil ang ginawa nila before they end in the third quarter talagang hinataw. Stepping on the gas.
And it's a 26-point advantage. Tama ba?
Oo.
Oo.
24 lang.
24 lang. 24 lang. Nadagdagan ko eh. 73 to 49.
40.
Stepping. Yun.
Dribble sa linya.
He can't take matters into his own hands. Dapat siguro ma-involve yung mga kakampi niya eh.
PBA D-League brought to you by SOS, your complete skincare solution. So those turnovers are not exactly helping out the Ama Titans. Those outside shots, sometimes ill-advised, pero kung minsan, ang nangyayari sa Wangs basketball, mas maraming tira, mas maraming chance ang pumasok eh.
Ganun naman talaga yata yun eh. Dami tira, dami chamba.
Ama susubok din from the outside. They have not exactly been successful shooting those outside shots. Samantala, ito high percentage. Grabe.
That's a good feed. So, Bentas, ito totoo na, 26 na. Totoo na yan.
In the way they're passing those balls, para bang special talaga yung delivery.
Parang na-practice na gusto eh.
Oo.
Diba? Alam na nila yung spot kung saan lalanding yung bola. Wala pa doon yung kakampi nila. Doon na dadalhin yung bola eh.
Malapitan yun. Hindi nga lang pumasok, pero they had the right idea. They're always near the basket.
Iba eh, playing with enviable confidence.
Yun.
Itong Wangs eh. Iba eh. $75-49 yan ang ating score. Make that 76.
Siguro ma-review rin natin, Barry, yung ating format for this Aspirants Cup.
12 teams ang kasali dito. Single round, tig-11 games bawat isang kupunan. Ang masaklap dito, pagkatapos ng single round, yung 6 na nasa dulo, bagsak na kagad yun.
Laglag yung 6 eh, no?
Kaya kailangan todo ka na kaagad, umpisa pala ng game eh. Iwas ka doon sa 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 dahil pag napunta ka doon, tanggal ka kaagad. Yung top 2 teams naman, dahil sobrang sipag yung manalo, automatic na kayo sa semis.
Yun.
Automatic na kayo. Tapos, 3 versus 6, 4 versus 5 ang labanan. Sa quarterfinals, yung 3 and 4, enjoying twice to beat advantage. Yung mananalo doon, laban yung 1 and 2 sa best of 3 semifinals. Tapos best of 3 na ng finals. Ganoon lang kasimple yun.
At kung makakalimutan ninyo, once, of course, patuloy pa rin natin babagitin yan. Take coffee trim with Garcinia, your coffee beverage with herbal ingredient. Sometimes sabi nga, you protect the ball with your body.
Well, 23 points ang abante nitong Wangs. Bobby. Yan, sablay yung unang free throw ni Balukanag.
Sumasabay sila sa takbuhan pero mukhang sila ang unang nauubusan.
Dapat nga sa takbuhan itong amang ang may gas sa tangke. Kasi mga bata ito eh.
Those are visible signs that you are actually running out of steam. You're shooting free throws. Kapos.
Parehong sablay no?
77-54. Less than 8 minutes to play here. At kanina kung medyo parang nag-aalangan pa itong Wangs basketball during the first half. Well, when we started the action back in the third period, eto na they found the weakness nitong Ama Titans. Parang pag nagtakbuhan na itong Wangs, nalilito na rin kung saan pupunta ang mga defensive players para sa Ama Titans. Tapos, nakakashoot na pa ng mga tres. Diba?
3-point shot yun. Oo, balik sa 26. Itong abante.
Si Ervic Vejandre. That three-pointer. Purdy. Although, mahaba pa naman ito.
Ito si Purdy.
Malaki pa rin ito. 24 point. Oh!
Back-to-back 3-point shots. Para dito sa Wangs. And this is the biggest lead, 27 points.
Lamang ng Wangs laban sa Ama. Well, expected naman natin na mananalo yung Wangs. Pero of course, hindi rin natin ina-expect na ganito kalaki yung lamang. Pero nagiging manipis na ang oras. And of course, kakasimula pa lang nitong Aspirants Cup 2014-2015 sa 5th season ng PBA D-League. At of course, the players, the teams themselves, they truly want to be recognized. They truly want to be known already. At gusto nila, malaking balita sila bukas sa newspaper, sa dyaryo, di ba?
May 2 tournaments etong D-League. After that, yung mga nag-standout dito pasok na. Papasok tiyak yan sa draft ng PBA 2015.
Especially when you also have, assistant coaches in the PBA, head coaches
sila na nag-i-scout dito
Nakakapag-scout na di ba? Nakikita na
90-71. 19 na lang yan.
1 minute and 52. Ayoko lang pag marami kang tinitira na sumasablay, especially from the outside, yung field goal percentage mo hindi bumababa di ba? And it shows in the stats the next time you're going to be reviewing it. Pero for once, yun ang gusto nila makita.
Rocky Acidre. Yun
93-71. See, basically exchanging baskets for these two teams right now. This is already over. Huh? Meron pa. 1 minute and 17 na lang.
Technical foul.
Oh well. At sa Wangs basketball pa yan in technical foul.
A minute and 17 remaining, a 19-point lead for Wangs.
Acidre. With just over a minute remaining here. 93-74. Wangs basketball. Almost a three-point play there.
Final score lang hinihintay natin yung sa ating ball game.
Wico is at the line.
Binalik pa pala si Wico. Kala ko nagpapahinga na ito Second
mamaya na, baka natapos na.
Is out for Wico.
The lead is 20. Minute remaining. Basically, for stats purposes,
pagandahan na lang to.
Last 45 seconds remaining. And of course, Mondays and Thursdays ang PBA D-League. It's sa ating Aspirants Cup. 12 teams. 12 exciting teams to watch. on IBC 13. ATC coverage.
Michael Wico revisits the free throw line. Siya naman ang na-foul dyan. 16 puntos na para dito kay Michael Wico. Make that 17.
Sabi mo nga, siya yung
Team leader dito eh.
team leader.
Yeah. Isa pang free throw para kay Wico. Pasok din yan. So 18 puntos na para kay Michael Wico. Will he finish with 20 points? Tingnan natin.
And basically, 30 seconds remaining. Konting-konti na lang. And officially, Wangs Basketball will notch their first win sa kanilang kampanya here in the PBA D-League.
At kanila pa ang last shot dito.
Okay, tiniro pa nga eh. Oh.
And that's it.
So a win para sa Wangs as expected over